Actually, what I was just, I would just like to add one thing. So, we have realized that moving forward with this, which we have started this venture, it is actually useless to make a script because if someone like you actually someone we if we invite someone like you, then a script is useless, right? And I
नहीं
mean,
ऐसा नहीं है यार. Everybody, like every person is different. तो आप I will encourage you to get people from different backgrounds. आप, and you don't have to only get seasoned lawyers. You can also, my suggestion will be, get people who have 3 to 5 years of experience also. जो आपकी age group में हो, they are more in tune to what has happened in the recent past. Get people from corporate side also, in-house counsel team. Get people from Deloitte and EYs also. They employ a large number of lawyers. Get people from uh, people who have also, maybe they've just become judges if they are happy to come, or people who are court clerks, judges attached to judges. Get different type of people will come in. They will share their own different experiences, and there's no right and wrong in it, right?
it's
It's just the more experiences, it's more part of your 5 घंटे ही काम कर रहे हैं. This is should start adding value to you and to other students as well, and everybody benefits. For us, why do you think I've got into teaching? Because people say आप teach करते हो, like I've got all these courses in SFLRE, and actively when I was teaching MBA students for business law or in law colleges, actually I was learning more. So it was a deep motive to learn more, because the kind of questions which come up, you have to prepare. And it is really, really, because law एक ऐसा topic है जहाँ पे there is no right and wrong answer. You have to engage with people and come up with the best solution at that point in time. So there is nobody who's perfect. Absolutely. Matlab, you please take it. Even the best person who may feel he knows everything, there is nobody who knows everything. And everybody is struggling in some ways or the other at some stage. Right? But yes, get people script, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा format रखो आप. But yes, you can channelize the discussions, and you can also make it so that you can, what all can you implement as students. तो वो थोड़ा सा you can focus on that, but otherwise it's good, and जितना interaction होगा उतना better है. But really you need to choose your mentors fast. Join in through the Law Society. We are also trying to build up a mentors team, because अगर virtual level पे लेके जाना है, then it is easy for anybody to mentor a much larger number of, because otherwise physical offices में तो क्या होता है कि you don't have that much capacity and physically what you will do, but at the virtual level at least mentorship is fine. Internships has challenges, because besides little bit of research आप बहुत ज़्यादा कर नहीं पाते. Okay, but as COVID-19 is not going to stay here forever, maybe for next few months, maybe another 6 months, eventually it will open up. But what I'm saying is that internships can be done loosely over a much longer period of time with people you may feel that they themselves may feel that they can't be mentors, and you may feel that how can they be my mentors, but they will actually become, they are great people from where you can learn. Okay, so it's more of trying to, कोई भी जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, कोई भी छोटा जना नहीं है और कोई छोटा नहीं हो जाता किसी से सीखने के लिए. Right? So एक तो dignity of work and dignity of labor one should always have. A lot of people tell me, हम कोई we are lawyers, हम कोई clerk तो थोड़ी है. And I tell people when it's my firm, I am the janitor to the CEO also. At a professional level, हम bathroom भी साफ करेंगे, टॉयलेट भी क्लीन करेंगे, आप पैसे दो, लीगल काम है, करेंगे. So and this is what I have learned from working overseas, that dignity of labor. जो भी करो बढ़िया से करो, and don't think any work is less. Or I see too many students, too many lawyers saying, oh, I will not do this drafting, this not, इतने ज़्यादा किधर आजकल के times में pressures are high. Okay, gone are those days जहाँ पे आपको एक 3 clerks चाहिए, 2 वो चाहिए. Everybody has to be a one-person army. Okay, and when you are expecting big salaries, obviously, whether it is a law firm or an organization, they are expecting a lot out of you. If they're going to give you 50,000, 1 lakh, 3 lakhs a month, they will expect you to give back 10 times that much worth. That is what corporates do, whether it's a law firm or a organization. तो उसमें थोड़ा सा you need to be realistic. Opportunities definitely are there, but you have to really be able to deliver. और उसमें वो डोंट वेट कि वो इंटरव्यू होगा, एक फॉर्मल इंटरव्यू होगा, वो बात करेंगे, पूछेगा व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इटली एंड कोई सेक्शन पूछ लेगा, मतलब दोस डेज आर गॉन कंप्लीटली.
Nice.
है ना? So those are some of my thoughts. Right?
I also would like to share something. So it's been 1 month when Hemant and me had a good talk. So I actually told to Hemant that what happens in we have 1 month of internship and next 4 months are totally studies. And those days, apart from studies, are totally boring. In first year, what I actually felt is I actually wasted too much of time on Netflix or playing. Well, those are important, but not that important. And I said to Hemant that let's do one thing. Let's let's one day go to Nagpur District Court or High Court and just approach some lawyer and tell him that we wanna learn, we wanna gain experience. So if not very professional work, you can tell us to do some research on cases. That would actually help us to gain insight into it. And I actually got that idea from the fact that so some days before I actually got a chance to do a pro bono under one of my internship providers. So there I felt the need to get the practical experience apart from bookish knowledge. So when I prepared what my mentor told me was he gave me facts of the case that was filed in Patiala District Court, and he told me to create arguments that I deem fit should be argued in court. And I made the whole draft, and he then praised me. And there were two things. First thing, I realized that whatever knowledge I used was not that much of bookish knowledge. And second thing, the satisfaction that I gained, because my arguments could have been used, will be used in determining someone's life. The satisfaction that I get.
Of course. नहीं वो बिल्कुल absolutely right दिव्यांश, जो आप बोल रहे हो, that is so correct. Plus मैं तो कह रहा हूँ अगर आपको कोई लॉयर ना भी करे, nobody will probably, अगर आप dressed up ठीक से हो, don't wear flip flops और मतलब shoes पहन के जा रहे हो, देखने में ठीक लग रहा है, nobody will stop you from entering a court. Right? आप जाके बैठो, obviously lawyers will help you, we all do this. आप मानोगे नहीं, कोई भी मैटर आता है, केस फाइल्स आर सो बिग, अब हम वो भी नहीं पूछते कि नंबर ऑफ पेजेस भी नहीं पूछते हैं. मैं क्लाइंट बोलता है कि ये केस आ रहा है, तो फाइल कितने किलो की है, 5 kilos, 15 kilos, 20 kilos, it's like the files are this big. Okay? सबसे पहले समरी बनानी होती है, बिकॉज एक और प्रैक्टिकल साइड की चीज है जो क्लाइंट बताता है. व्हेन वी टॉक टू क्लाइंट, भाई आपका क्या मैटर है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है, वो कुछ बताता है. ओके 90% ऑफ द टाइम वो हाफ बेक्ड इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, क्लाइंट को खुद नहीं पता होता कि फाइल्स में क्या है. सो एनी गुड लॉयर विल बी डूइंग इट कि ही विल से आपको जो बताना है बता दो, बट आई विल बिलीव व्हाट आई रीड. ओके हमारे पास we have eyes, and I tell all my clients, and every good lawyer will tell his clients. Sometimes we tell them, sometimes we don't tell them, but we say we don't believe anything which you are telling us. वो अपनी साइड की स्टोरी बता देता है. 100% they will hide all the facts which are going against them. और हमें क्या फोकस करना होता है उसके डिफेंस में, उसके जो थिंग्स which are going against him उसको हाईलाइट करना, उसको काउंटर करना है. तो वो तो हमारे को फाइल्स में ही से मिलती है ना. So even doing, and what is the task initially? First task क्या होता है कि इतनी बड़ी, let's say एक फाइल है, right? Like, and senior lawyers or anybody who is working on that case is handling many such cases. New case आता है, हमारे को स्टैंडर्ड प्रैक्टिस है कि इसे भाई इसका एक पेज का सिनॉप्सिस बना के दो. हार्डेस्ट पार्ट, देयर आर 500 पेजेस, 4 जगह से वो जा चुका है, पुलिस रिपोर्ट्स है, मतलब व्हाटएवर द मैटर इज, एंड आई एम आस्किंग यू टू मेक मी वन शीट ऑफ समरी. उस वन शीट में आप क्या इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स रखते हो, क्या नहीं रखते, दैट इज बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट हैपनिंग एट द आर्गुमेंट स्टेज आल्सो. जजेस ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको 3 घंटे दे देंगे आर्ग्यू करने के लिए. सुप्रीम कोर्ट में यू बी लकी इफ यू गेट 2 minutes. हाई कोर्ट में समटाइम्स आप बहुत लकी रहते हो तो आपको 10-15 मिनट मिल जाते हैं. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन courts and depending on judges, you have to summarize maybe a 10,000 page file in few minutes.
Right.
तो कौन से पॉइंट को पिकअप करना है, कौन से को नहीं करना. प्लस ये जैसे आप क्लाइंट से डायरेक्टली बात करना शुरू करो या लॉयर से, you will start getting a real feel of these things. फैमिली कोर्ट्स में जाओ, डिवोर्स मैटर्स हैं, इतने सारे ये पेटी क्राइम वाले हैं, सिविल, क्रिमिनल, व्हाटएवर, you need to start because this is something which there is no way आपके क्लासरूम में कुछ ये सब चीजें, चाहे आपको एंड में आप कॉर्पोरेट में भी जाना चाहते हो, do this. I will also give you one more suggestion. ये small business owners हैं हर जगह, फैक्ट्री है किसी की, कोई दुकान भी चला रहा है, एक्सपोर्टर है, इंपोर्टर है, मैन्युफैक्चरर है. Every small city has people who run businesses. ट्रांसपोर्ट का बिजनेस है, टैक्सीज का बिजनेस है. Today's day and age, everybody needs some help on interpretation of laws. टैक्सेशन की लॉज हो सकती हैं, आईटी की लॉज हो सकती हैं, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज की लॉज हो सकती हैं. एक्सपोर्टर है तो उसको बैंक एलसी का मालूम नहीं, अगर रिटेलर है तो ही वांट्स टू गो ऑनलाइन, ही डजंट नो हाउ टू व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स टू मेक if he has to do his business online. Where a lawyer can actually help, lawyer meaning even somebody who is not a qualified lawyer can essentially try to help him interpret the laws. Factories Act है, labor laws है, इतने complex है, इतने changes होते हैं. Even if you don't have a degree, I don't know, in your law colleges, do you study on with BEAR Acts also?
Yes sir, yes sir.
तो BEAR Act हमारा बाइबल है. छोटी सी किताब है, 30-40 रुपीज का कॉस्ट होता है उसका, but is giving the sections, is giving, you don't even have to buy expensive books all the time. BEAR Acts on any subject, whether it is IT Act, whether it is cyber law, IPC, that is the best way to start picking up information. Because the business wale owners hain, itne business owners hain who cannot afford in-house general counsels. उनके लिए लॉयर का मतलब है जब कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी तो कोर्ट में जाना, but that is just maybe 30% of what a lawyer is doing. You have to help him grow his business. What are corporate lawyers doing? I tell all my clients that we will help you in growing in your growth. ये नहीं है कि जब प्रॉब्लम आएगी तब आप आओ कि इसने चेक बाउंस हो गया, वो तो that is obviously there. But we will help you how to franchise your business, how to have more distributors, how to have more employees, get more customers, and protect you from all the business risks which are there. We are risk managers. तो depend करता है आप कैसे देखते हैं अपने clients को, clients आपको कैसे perceive कर रहे हैं. Are they looking at you, okay, check bounce हो गया तो lawyer को बुला लेंगे? It's like a good lawyer is guiding you is like an insurance policy. आप एक प्रॉपर्टी का ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हो जिसकी वैल्यू 3 करोड़ की है, जो छोटे से छोटा ट्रांजैक्शन भी 50 लाख, 1, 2, 5, 10 करोड़ की आजकल प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यूज आर हाई. Nobody I'm telling you goes to a lawyer when it comes to making a document, a lease document or a sale purchase or a agreement to sell. वो पेड़ के नीचे एक टाइपिस्ट बैठा होगा, उसका वो ब्रोकर उसको फोटोकॉपी पे फोटोकॉपी दे रहा है, उसमें फोर्स मेजर क्लॉज है कि नहीं, उसके अंदर आर्बिट्रेशन क्लॉज है कि, only a lawyer can read. Nobody is doing this. You can add so much of value. And if you will convince anybody कि भाई आपका अगर 2 करोड़ का मैटर है, अगर आप अच्छे से ड्राफ्टेड डॉक्यूमेंट पे जाओगे तो आपका रिस्क कम हो जाएगा. मे बी you could charge anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000 to 50,000 to 2 lakhs for getting that paperwork done. But as a lawyer, are you doing it or are you just saying photocopy कर रहे हैं? जब प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी तो फर्स्ट थिंग द लॉयर विल से, यार ये आई विल यूज दोस वर्ड, किस गधे ने ये ड्राफ्ट करा, बिकॉज़ इनसे मुझे तो पता ही नहीं सर, वो तो फोटोकॉपी पे कट एंड पेस्ट चले जा रहा है. This is reality. I'm looking at whether it is lease agreements, whether it is sale purchase agreements to sell, and these transactions are happening all over. किसी भी छोटे से छोटी सिटी में चले जाओ, नागपुर, नासिक, भुवनेश्वर, रियल एस्टेट ट्रांजैक्शंस हो रही हैं और हैव हाई वैल्यू. कॉम्प्लेक्स ट्रांजैक्शंस है, आपने एडवांस दिया, नहीं ऑनर करा कमिटमेंट, व्हाट हैपेंस? लिटिगेशन में जाएंगे, 15 साल के लिए फंस जाएंगे. So how do you protect your client, whether you're a buyer or a seller or if it's a broker, then how does he protect his interest? Escrow accounts are being set up. बहुत नई innovations are happening on the legal side. So new opportunities where young people can apply their minds and think out of the box. And also you have global opportunities today. You can get clients from all over the world. You can yourself, as lawyers, go to Singapore, UK, Canada, US, and there's a lot of work for, as we say, India desk. आपकी specialization तो Indian law पे ही कर रहे हो, but other people also need to understand Indian law. So increase your knowledge. अभी आजकल के टाइम में courses करो. SFLRE में we have some master classes. There are about 6 programs. I will encourage you to do some of them. We are going to give you all complimentary master classes, so you don't have to pay for it. Get your real learning from there with a certification. We have professional courses also, which are 2-month formal courses. Okay, do them if you want to. I think it will help and add value to go to next levels. Okay, rest of the time, anybody feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn, social media, email, and I'll try my best as much as possible to help all of you. Right? And there's a good, bright future, so make the most of it. And I wish you all the success in your careers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I think Divyansh, if you allow, or rather if sir you allow, we have one last segment. It's a bit of
Feedback.
informal.
No, sir. It's actually a fun segment that we
Fun
keep
segment.
in our talk.
Okay, sure.
So I'll begin. So first question, sir. Like I was hearing to Harish Salve's interview, Mr. Harish Salve, wherein he said that while he was in his college days, which is in Nagpur, so he used to go to a nearby jungle, that is Tadoba. He used to just chill out with his students. So what used to be your go-to while you were, relentlessly working for 9 to 10 hours?
Yeah, unfortunately, I do a lot of things to, enjoy. I was into martial arts. I still do a lot of cycling, motorcycling at my age. I do. Obviously, these are stress busters. So passion तो होना चाहिए life में. उस time पे भी काफी कुछ करते थे. But during my studies, I started working so early. So frankly, after 3 years of college was when one would bunk classes and go for movies. So काफी activity high level पे रहती थी. But otherwise, even now the fun activities are, and I will encourage all of you also. Like for me, it has been outdoor activities. It could be taekwondo, which I used to do earlier on, or again, cycling, trekking, whatever interests you. Everybody must have a passion because बहुत important है वो आपको de-stress करने के लिए. So having a passion and a hobby, I've always had passion for pets. I still have a dog. We have fish. I've always kept them as pets, and it's great. आप aquarium के सामने जाके बैठ जाओ 1 घंटे तक, वो आपको इतना de-stress कर देता है. So it is great. But whatever is your passion, follow your passion, and always have a hobby.
Wonderful. Also, another question, sir. That we all grow up reading the autobiographies and biographies of several luminaries, and that is somewhere the source of inspiration. So, where did your inspiration, if any book you have read, you have loved it?
No, so I will tell you because I didn't have to look outside for inspiration. My grandfather was my inspiration. So he was way back. In fact, we have his certificate. So he started practice in like I've seen him practice. So for me, I've seen a very, very hardworking Mr. Bishambar Dayal was his name, and he was a national level tennis player in the British times, where he used to work like crazy, these 17, 18 hours at a stretch, but was very active in playing tennis, in mixing. You have to, as a lawyer, especially if you're doing litigation work, you have to be with people and be a people's person. So I have seen, and this saying that there is always room at the top, because even when I was earlier on starting out with law, I always used to feel that itna pressure hai, there are so many lawyers, how will you differentiate? Is there scope for me? One job and 50 applications coming in. I remember American Express mein there were 3 positions and there were 50,000 applications. So I would say, मेरे को job भी मिलेगा कि नहीं उधर? But my grandfather used to tell me, and I will quote his saying only, that there is always room at the top. If you do something really, really well, there is a vacuum. हमें लगता है कि ऊपर बहुत crowded है, नीचे बहुत crowded है. When I say नीचे, meaning if you reach that level of expertise and you push yourself hard enough, there is so much opportunity at the higher level. आप मिस्टर हरीश साल्वे का देखिए. इनफैक्ट आई लव टू वॉच his speech on YouTube when he was addressing the UN. ये जो जादव वाले जो incident में in the International Court of Justice, there is a live YouTube. Just watch that and learn with which confidence he speaks. Okay, so and we all still keep learning. Mr. Soli Sorabji has been with my father as a peer. Some of the best criminal lawyers, I will talk about one, Mr. Dinesh Mathur. I look up to him also. He's my uncle. One of the best criminal lawyers. And best thing is, जब आप उनके पास किसी भी मैटर को लेके जाते थे, क्रिमिनल मैटर किसी और क्लाइंट का, एंड उनसे कुछ पूछते थे कि सर इसका क्या होगा, you know, this is the case, what, and his first reaction would be, how do I know, and how would I know? And I would say, but you have like 30 years of, you are the best person on criminal law. He's saying देखना पड़ेगा, and first thing he would say is बैराक लेके आओ, and he'd say दिखाओ मेरे को कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. And somebody would say, but you know, मेरे केस में ये हुआ था, because normally it would reach to him when he's the High Court or Supreme Court, and client would say something कि सर मेरे पास वो application आया था, मैंने डाला था. He'll say, show me in the file. Basically saying, don't bullshit with me. मेरे को अपना verbal मत दिखाओ, show me. I'm a lawyer, I can read and write, and if I do not read with my own eyes, that means it does not exist. People are saying law mein ye hua, this notification was passed. We are talking about force majeure these days. 2 judgments aa gayi hain Supreme Court ki, ek circular aa chuka hai. So don't talk in air on media news, WhatsApp news, it was published somewhere. Just because it was published somewhere does not mean it is authentic. Fake news तो अब शुरू हुआ है, but बहुत पहले से we are saying, show us where it is written. Verbal agreements don't have much meaning because they cannot be proven. Contracts हैं, lease agreement है, तो दिखाओ मेरे को भाई किधर लिखा हुआ है. So focus on facts and not on hearsay and not on things which somebody said. We believe in what is there in writing. So there are few tips which we all pick up from somebody we look up to. And outcome of the case, and I'm again talking about Mr. Dinesh Mathur and my father also, Mr. Keshav Dayal, senior advocate. You ask him, so फिर इसमें क्या outcome, what will happen? And he will say, how do I know? I can only put in my best effort. But I'm not the judge. So how can I tell you we will win or we will lose? Which somebody who does not have that much confidence will always say, अरे मैं आपको जिता दूंगा जी. There are so many lawyers who will say, sure short case है जी, ये तो पक्की guarantee है मेरी, मैं आपको जितवा दूंगा. It is only you need a lot of confidence to say I don't know, and you need a lot of confidence to say that the outcome is unpredictable, but that is the reality and the fact. And how much time it will take is not in my control. And since I'm not the honorable judge there, how can anybody besides the judge who's presiding that particular case, besides him, nobody else can say that this will be the outcome. So wo thoda sa we have to, yes, we can work on percentages, that what will happen, how it will happen, based on our others' experiences, and not client expectations, not overcommitting to clients. Giving the facts as they are, and good lawyers, I have seen them refuse cases. In fact, my father has a habit of doing that. Clients come in and say, "जी हमें तो case file करना है." And he'll say, "यार तेरे case में कुछ है ही नहीं, there is nothing in it, matter ही नहीं है, 100% you will lose." अपनी ego के लिए क्यों? Even if you have the money, don't waste the court's time and our time. चलो our time you are ready to pay the fee, but don't waste the court's time in something which has no meaning and no value just because you want to harass the other guy, or just because you have the money to fight does not mean you should go to the court. So giving good advice, it may be contrary to you as a professional. I may say, oh, I will not fight your case. I don't think there is any real chance of winning. he's ready to pay our fees. So as professionals, sometimes, and law firms also, like, the pressures are high. The commercial pressures are very, very high. Look at the big law firms. 50,000 square feet offices, 200,000 square feet of offices, fancy salaries to employees with perks. Their overheads are so high. But do you think they are not under financial pressures? Clients are tightening their belts. Multinationals ऐसे नहीं है कि आप advice के लिए 15, 20, 25 लाख के checks काट के, they are also being questioned why the work cannot be done in-house, why the general counsel team cannot manage it. So pressures are even on partners of big. Today, you may aspire to become a partner in a very big law firm. But do you know the pressures which the partners feel? Consulting firms के मैं example देता हूँ आपको, where I have a very good friend who's nearly earning about 4 crores a year as salary. Okay? But monthly he has to bring 3 crores of business into that firm. And he feels if he loses his job, he will never get another job ever again. So these are real issues. So आपका struggle from your first year will always be there. It depends how you look at it. Is it struggle or you look at it as fun? It's the fun of, there will be ups and downs and highs and lows, which we will all be facing. But not getting bogged down with our lows and working definitely hard, having a positive mindset is so, so crucial. And having your passion and hobbies, very, very critical. चाहे music हो, चाहे आपका sports हो, whatever interests you, you must, because otherwise I've seen too many people getting so bogged down only with their work that it affects their work beyond a point, because they do not know how to unwind. So foreign आपको holidays लेनी है, treks करने, जो भी आपको मजा आता है आप करो. I'm not saying Netflix now जाओ, enjoy your youth as much as you can. But ये वाला जो focus है ना, that have I learned something today? You have to answer to yourself, and I will think of me whenever you are not doing that. Okay?
Wonderful.
So are we done now? I think, Kafi, it's been the longest. Do you have any more quick questions?
I had one.
Okay.
It's a very, very easy question. Like, it's not a very theoretical, it's a very informal kind of a question. So again, I'll plug in Mr. Prashant Bhushan here. And he said that it was his, it made his day when his father cross-questioned Indira Gandhi in the Allahabad High Court. And after that, it was, his whole perspective changed towards the world of law, and his father became a role model, which he must have been already, but still it was like a boost given to his feelings. So tell us your incident wherein you were really at awe of your father's practice.
No, I'm always at my awe, because I would say my father is one of the most honest lawyers you will ever find, and probably the most hardworking. I would get him here. He's touchwood 87 years of age, okay, and he still puts in more number of hours than I do, okay. And he's a very humble and a soft-spoken person, but when he is standing in front of the judge and in the courts, he becomes a tiger. His personality changes, okay, and he does not take no for an answer. To the extent that, because we have to understand, and he also understands it perfectly well, we are there representing our client, and whether it's a civil matter or a criminal matter, stakes are high for the client. Okay, as a professional, we've taken our fees in advance most of the time, so personal pressures are really not there. But he will fight for the client to the level where the judge is at the end also, with respect and with everything else. At the end, he is like, even if he is giving an adverse order, he will say, Mr. Dayal, you have done more than which anybody could have done. Okay, and usually, see, you have to understand the judges are also individuals. They're people. They're also, emotions do play a big role. That is why we do not have a computer taking a decision or an artificial intelligence app taking a decision. Okay, so people are individuals. Some people like you, sometimes they may not like you, they may be under pressure, but fighting, and that is what I've learned from my father, that putting yourself in the shoes of your client as if it has happened with you. Somebody has robbed you, somebody has taken away your home from you illegally. So fight. So the passion has to be there. And I think the difference between good lawyers and not so great lawyers is the passion which they get involved. They're not doing it for money anymore. Financially, they've already crossed whatever they could have dreamt for themselves. Okay, it is pure passion and making a difference for your client. You know, and you should see the amount of the way clients come in, and it's mainly with individual clients or small business owners who will come and they will wish you, and therefore life they are in debt. We've also had a lot of doctors who had cases for malpractices from hospitals coming in, and we've been defending them for the last many years. You should see how thankful they are, and we all do a lot of pro bono cases where people cannot afford it, and otherwise they would not get that kind of a legal defense, which and all good lawyers are doing it, and I think that is what makes the difference. And you are actually able to make a difference in somebody's life. I think there's no amount of money can compensate that. So this is what I would say I would have learned from my father, to be passionate about his clients and pushing it to the limit. Like the client, there are so many, obviously nobody can have 100% track record of winning. So all we can say with guarantee that all the clients where we have lost the cases, we can proudly say that each of them comes back to us and says, sir, aapne isse better mera nahi ho sakta tha. Finally, I didn't win because mera luck theek nahi tha, whatever, they will blame it on something else. But they will say, but you have done the best job you could do for me. I think that satisfaction, very few people have come. And in today's day and age, people are also overcommitting themselves. So if you can, we refuse cases where we say we can't do more. Like, you can't take in 20 more cases when you personally cannot look after them, right? So wahan pe, that is where a professional has only, we all have 24 hours in a day. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a super expert, nobody's getting 25 hours, right? So 24 hours, how are we spending it? And we also have to look at the long run. Legal profession, I'm telling you, my father's 87, active. My grandfather till 91 was practicing. Okay. So it's not a career which in government service will finish off at 55 or 58 or 60. So we have to plan a long career, which is the beauty of this profession. Because आप jobs ही कर रहे हैं, corporate jobs में कर रहे हैं, whatever you do, at the end, you will always you can always get into practice, whether it is taxation or civil or criminal, so many areas of law. So prepare. So it's one more thing which I must add at this stage is, it is not a sprint. Again, these words, it's not mine, I have not coined it, but definitely it's ingrained in my mind that law profession is not a sprint. It is a marathon. Okay, so don't try to, many people feel, okay, even if they've got success in the first few years, they're so happy, and then it could change very quickly. And there are so many lawyers who have struggled so hard initially, first 3, 4, 5, 10 years. So success has come much later to them. But idea is not to give up. Because in the long run, if you're hardworking and if you're sincere and high integrity, you will do well. That much I think you should take from me. So, but hard work aap nahi karoge, try to be a very smooth operator. There are a lot of people who try to do tricks and, will get you somewhere. And if you're lucky, maybe you'll do well. I don't know. But working hard, so that is in your control. Your IQ may not be in your control. But hard work is in your control. Commitment is in your control. Passion is in your control. So let us take charge of what is in our control and work to the best and finding out what makes us happy. So we focus on it, and then it does not work anymore. So all these people I'm talking about who put in 16, 18, 20 hours a day is because they love it. I am so passionate about some of the cases where we have to travel up country or overseas for work. It is no longer work. Plus आप travel भी करते हो, आप client का भी करते हो, you know, so there are a lot of great things in this profession. Money, definitely you will earn much more than anybody else could earn, but can give you the lifestyle. But to get there, yes, there's nobody who would get it on a silver platter, even if they are coming from privileged families and everything is said. Still, the hard work has to be done. And if you're smart, you're embracing technology well, think out of the box, nobody can stop you guys. And India is one of best place to be in. Economy can be slow for the time being, but India is one of the fastest growing markets. इतना growth हो रहा है उधर, laws are changing constantly, so opportunities are absolutely there. By the time you guys graduate, it will be a very different world.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you, Devansh,
Thank you,
Rajas,
sir.
Hemant, Amya. Thanks to all of you, and good luck.
Thank you so much, sir.
सर वन
Thank you so much, sir.
सर एक तकलीफ आपको दे सकते हैं क्या सर?
हाँ जी, बताइए.
अरे सर एक अभी सर एक बस आप लास्ट एक फनी एनेक्डोट बता दो सर आपके लाइफ का, बी इट 3 लाइन 4 लाइन एंड देन वील एंड दिस, बस दैट्स इट.
Okay, this is a very real case which happened, which is still going on in Patiala courts, in the civil courts, where one of our very leading lawyer was on the opposing counsel, and our client had to go. He had left some important original documents at his home. Okay, so the cross. This is real, which is funny because it was like the cross examination with our client was happening, and it was things like, okay, so you have to go from the court, go to your home to bring the original document back to the court. Okay, so the lawyer started cross examining by जब वो वापस ले आए documents, they said, आप कैसे गए? So he said, what difference would it make? So the lawyer kept insisting कि आप गाड़ी से गए, बस से गए, स्कूटर से गए, ऑटो से गए. तो he said, मैं तो गाड़ी से गया. And the other party knew that this person's, although it was a lease matter for property rent agreement dispute at the rent controllers, but they knew कि his driving license had expired. So they were trying to trick him into कि आप कैसे गए, and he said मैं तो अपनी गाड़ी से गया. तो उन्होंने पूछा आपने खुद गाड़ी चलाई? He said yes. He said आप लाइसेंस दिखाओ अपना. That is when we objected. We said what is the relevance? तो जज को भी थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, but he allowed it initially and the license had expired. So he said आपने without a license अपने गाड़ी चलाई? He said yes, but the rent controller said, but this has nothing to do with this particular case. Please, today you will not go back driving by yourself. आप अपना license renew करो या आप अपना driver रखो, because it has nothing to do with this case. So there are small things which do happen, and cross examination में बहुत interesting चीजें निकल के आती हैं. एक और cross examination in a criminal matter it was that somebody said आप नीचे से ऊपर कैसे गए? It was a 3-story building. Some crime had been committed on the first floor. He said मैं सीढ़ियों से ऊपर गया. तो उन्होंने कहा फिर आप वापस कैसे आए? कहते सीढ़ियां ही थी, मतलब there is no other way, there is no lift, there is no escalator, तो मैं सीढ़ियों से जाऊंगा, सीढ़ियों से आऊंगा. So many a times when you're cross examining, you run out of questions. Okay, so it's not just the client who's confused. Sometimes the lawyers are also very confused because the judge is saying, okay, quickly finish the matter. You have any more questions? And this is your last opportunity. So people who are smart can think on their feet. This is what is required for smart litigation law, especially when it comes to criminal side. They have to be, your bookish knowledge is thrown out of the window. You have to be just street smart. That is where I say, अगर आप, आपके marks बहुत low भी हैं ना, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. I know of so many good lawyers, जिनके really marks पे आप जाओगे तो you will laugh. Cheating करके पास हुए होंगे. But they are brilliant. They think far ahead. It's like a game of chess. आजकल chess इतना popular नहीं है, but anybody who's played chess, you have to Rajas, you have to think 3-4 moves ahead at least of what the other party will be reacting and thinking. And it is not just in criminal, civil matters, but criminal में तो बहुत ज़्यादा. So, if you think you can really be smart, and you are, as we say, think on your feet, because the judges can ask you any question, even in civil matters. And वो 10,000 page का आपकी file है, right? You can possibly not have gone through everything. And somebody asks you a question, and then what do you answer? And do you say, I do not know, or do you give a wrong answer? आपकी integrity भी test होती है. Most lawyers will come under pressure and give a wrong answer, even if they know it is not correct. Because you need a lot of guts in public forum in front of a judge where hundreds of other lawyers are looking at you to say, sir, I don't know, Your Honorable Justice, I do not know. But good lawyers do that. They say, sir, I do not know. But give me 1 hour, 2 hours, or the next date, and I will come back with the answer. And most judges respect that. It's okay to say you don't know it, because so many things in life we don't know. But हमारे को इतना confidence होना चाहिए, rather than saying what will others think, what will the judge feel, what will the client feel, what will the lawyers, will they laugh at me? But it's better rather than giving a wrong answer, which will harm your case maybe much more. So ये वाली छोटे-छोटे incidents हैं, which I thought I will little bit share with you. Interesting questions, guys. These I have not come across. I've been on many forums, so this is interesting. You also please don't follow any format. आपको जो ठीक लग रहा है वो करो. There is no template for success on these things, right? Okay. Are we done?
Finally.
Yeah.
Finally.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. Thank you all of you, and reach out to me anytime later on whenever you feel like.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
All the best.
And we're going to require you a lot many times in future.
As much as possible. थोड़ा सा timing आजकल because of COVID time, the courts are not open and we can't be going to our offices, so we have more time. Once things get back, थोड़ा सा time constraint होगा, but I'm always more than happy to join in and interact with all of you. As long as it is interactive,
Yes, sir.
that is what makes it fun for us also. All the best and stay safe.
Yes.
Okay. Good luck.